And our
Told
friend in
you.
Texas, these so-called authority figures think they own you here.
Exactly. No, dude, you. Oh, man. I love it when
Yeah.
some heavy hitters in the room is like, "Oh, you're turning the team, are you? Oh, baby, you're gonna like it over here." No, we never give in over here. We only take. We don't give anything. We only take over here.
Nice. He says Jack told me they unfroze when he walked out the door and looked back.
No, that's true. But actually, after this happened to me, uh, I had this was years ago. Okay, uh, I'll tell another. I'll do a short story on this other thing. We got. Oh man, we're almost at time. Okay, I'll really try and break this down. I had I had this guy come to me. He was homeless and had nothing,